Hi children, today Miss will give you our Plac tutorial. Our Plac for this week is pepper rossette flower. Later in the class, Miss will provide you 2 rectangle pepper, 1 round pepper, 1 stick, and the glue. So, are you ready? Let's do it! For the first step, let's take the pepper, and you have to fold the pepper back and forth like a harmonica. Keep doing this until the end of the pepper. Now it's finished. Looks like a harmonica, right? Let's do the same thing to the second pepper. Back and forth. After this, we need to fold it again end to end, like this. Next, we will put the glue on the pepper so its side will stick together. Do the same thing for the other pepper. Now we will put the glue over here as well. Put 2 pieces of the pepper together to form a flower. Like this, slowly. And done. Now take the round pepper and pour the glue on it too. Place it in the middle of the flower. Now let's paste the stick. Pour the glue first. And place the stick in the middle of the pepper as flower stem. And for the last, you can draw a smiley face on your flower to make it more beautiful using your pencil. Okay kids, that's all for the tutorial. Goodbye!